Actually, I wanted to say something to you for a long time, but couldn't say.
After all, what sort of matter that you couldn't say to me?
I have to tell you something, but I feel shy to talk to you.
Don't riddle me and tell me straight.
Try to understand my heartbeats. Every beat of my heart takes your name.
What a joke. What happened to you today? Why are you talking like this?
I wish you could understand my feelings.
Feelings? How can I understand your feelings?
Don't try to be naive and you know all, but you are testing me.
No, it's not like that.
Yeah, it is. You know how much I want you.
No, I don't know, and you never told me.
If you were close to me, then you would understand.
You meant I'm not your close.
That's it, because you are behaving like an unknown person who even don't know me.
But why do you think so?
Question after question. When will you stop asking these questions, and be serious, please?
You feel bad to my questions, so now I'll not ask any questions.
Instead of understanding, you are making the wrong sense.
Who don't have sense of humor, they are talking about sense.
I came to express my love to you. But your behavior is so awful. Now what should I talk?
Oh. It's like that? I'm sorry, I was getting you wrong.
That's the thing, I was saying you that if you get my words, then you will understand my feelings.
Yeah, you are right. Please forgive me. I don't know what did I say you unknowingly.
Never mind. I don't know what happened to me. I just think about you all the time.
Me too, honey, but I couldn't express it.
Oh, really? You make me happy to tell me this.
Yes, I'm shying, and my heart is just doing to hug you.
Oh dear. You are so kind and romantic too.
Oh, please. Don't make me shy.
Wow, your shyness will kill me.
Okay, I must dash now, and I've also tell you a lot of things.
Okay, dear, take care.
You too, dear.